Supreme Court has blocked Purdue Pharma from moving forward with its settlement for lawsuits related to the opioid epidemic. The settlement would have required the company to pay $6 billion and would also shield its owners, the Sackler family, from future opioid suits. But the DOJ argued the Sacklers should not be shielded because the company filed for bankruptcy protections, not the family. The new Netflix series Painkiller takes an in-depth look at the Sacklers, Purdue Pharma, and the origins of the opioid crisis. The series is based on a book of the same name, first released 20 years ago. The book's author, Barry Meier, is here now with us in studio. Barry, it's good to see you.
Thanks, Jeff.
You've been working on a separate story here for Saturday morning as well, to coincide with the Netflix series coming out. First of all, let's deal with the news of the day. Are you surprised by what the Supreme Court did?
Yeah, I'm actually kind of stunned. I mean, I thought they would not get involved with this at all, and I'm sure it's a decision that is driving the Sackler family crazy, because essentially what they were hoping for was to simply pay this $6 billion, get a lifetime insurance policy, and kind of walk away from all the lawsuits that could be against them.
Did I explain that the right way? And that the Supreme Court is basically saying, or the DOJ is basically saying, it's the company that's filing for bankruptcy, so the family can't ask for immunity.
Exactly. So basically, it's a strange kind of deal. Usually a company goes into bankruptcy, they deal with their creditors. But here's a situation where the Sackler family, the owners of Purdue, are saying, we don't want to go into bankruptcy. We've got billions and billions of dollars, but we want to use this bankruptcy proceeding as a way to shield ourselves personally from lawsuits. So we're going to give you $6 billion, and you as the victims and the lawyers and whomever are going to give us a lifetime legal guarantee against further lawsuits against us personally. So it's like a side deal to a bankruptcy proceeding.
The latest estimates I've seen is that the Sacklers are still worth something like $13 billion.
This is not going to hurt them.
So they'd be giving away a little less than half their fortune. But again, it would dribble out, I think, over the course of years. Here's what's so interesting. You first started reporting on Purdue in 2001. You wrote a bunch of articles, the book came out, and then everybody forgot about it. Why?
You know, it just didn't, hit our attention. I mean, these are deaths, overdoses that were happening in Appalachia, small towns in Maine or Florida. It wasn't affecting big cities. Plus, Purdue and other opioid makers were wielding an incredible amount of influence in Congress. They had lobbyists all around with politicians. It was very much a situation like the tobacco industry, where for decades and decades, they kind of controlled what was going on, and then it all started falling apart.
Because I'm watching this, I was watching a preview of it, and it dropped today on Netflix. We should mention, by the way, it's fantastic. Directed by Peter Berg. We're going to talk to him for Saturday soon. But you're watching it, and I'm trying to figure out the timeline. I'm like, when is this taking place? Is this now, are we talking about 2015, 2016? And it's 20 years ago.
Yeah, exactly.
When all this was happening.
Exactly.
And so they tried to, for years, there were different people who tried to depose Richard Sackler. Mm-hmm. They finally got it done when?
I think that happened around 2017 or 2018. And he basically, was like talking to a guy who just, grunted and groaned and gave monosyllabic answers. He really had nothing to say. He sort of played dumb, and that was the extent of the deposition.
Okay. We got to cut this off for now, but I'm going to see you again soon. And as I said, we'll see you on CBS Saturday morning as well. Barry Meier.
Thanks
so much.
Appreciate it.